welcome to another episode of Freshers World YouTube channel on jobs and careers. My name is Ipshita and today we would be discussing about how to contact a HR of a company while looking for job opportunities. While looking for a new job opportunity, we all have that one difficulty of finding the right contact or the HR of the company, and even if we find, we don't know the correct way in connecting with them. So here we are to guide you with a few pointers. The first thing you should do before deciding on your plan of action is to ensure your resume is as tailored as possible to the job you want. You don't want to reach out to the recruiter with a resume that looks unrelated to the position you are applying for. You also want to tweak your LinkedIn profile accordingly before doing any outreach. Once you have tailored everything, you have a few options when it comes to contacting the recruiter. Apply first, then get in touch. Check out the company's career website and apply for open positions online. Once you have applied online, send an email to the recruiter introducing yourself and stating that you have already applied. This saves the recruiter time since you are already in electronic database, and more importantly, it makes you seem particularly proactive. Know something about the company to which you are applying. A recruiter wants to know you have invested time into learning about the company or at least the industry. Many companies host events or offer ways online to interact. Social media is obviously a big part of business, and the first step would be to follow on the company on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and through blogs. The more you put your name out there, the more dedicated and knowledgeable you will look to an employer. Get straight to the point when emailing a recruiter. The best way to gain employment is to be direct with the recruiter or point of contact. An email or LinkedIn message is often the best way to reach out to recruiters because it allows for a reply on their own schedule during business hours. I would suggest being relatively brief and writing the body of email as short cover letter. When seeking out a particular position, it's best to align your industry specific work history and or transferable skills with the desired position. You present yourself as a SME, that is a subject matter expert in that field. Take the time to cater your email to the company to which you are applying and express what you will bring to the company, not just what a job there you can do for yourself. Always attach your resume to the email so that the recruiter may look at it immediately. Once an initial email has been sent, it is then appropriate to follow up with another email about after a week or two of not receiving a response. Now, what you shouldn't do when contacting a recruiter or hiring manager. Whenever asking for help from a recruiter or reaching out directly to a hiring manager, remember his or her time is limited. It is appropriate to ask for the recruiter's help exploring any future job opportunities at his or her company. Once you have presented yourself as a viable candidate, they will contact you if opportunity exists that appears to be a match. Never send an email with no body text and only a resume attached. Always use the subject line, "Don't stalk the recruiters." A follow-up phone call is fine, but constantly nagging has the reverse effect. Well, if you're looking for more question papers and placement papers, then Freshers World is the right destination to all your solutions. On an average, Freshers World posts new papers, 200 jobs on a daily basis, and many more. So log in to freshersworld.com for all your career related solutions. Please like and subscribe to Freshers World YouTube channel on jobs and careers. Keep watching us. Thank you.